Hello everyone. To begin with, my name is A.G. Prabha. I am currently pursuing BA English Literature in Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today I am going to give a good presentation on one of the company, Hindustan Computer Limited, that's also called HCL. Company history started in the year 1976 at Noida, Uttar Pradesh in India. Founder Shiv Nadar. First Indian IT services hardware company. Before the HCL Technologies, India had only 250 computers. In 1978, HCL developed the first indigenous microcomputer at the same time as Apple. The first RDBMS in 1983, client server architecture in 1984, and fine-grained multiprocessor Unix installation in 1989. R&D division was spun off as HCL Technologies in 1991 to enter the software services arena. Presence in 35 countries. Shiv Nadar initially invested 20 lakhs for starting Hindustan Computer Limited. In principle, vision, together we create the enterprises of tomorrow. Mission, to provide world-class information technology solution and services to enable our customers to serve the customers better. HCL products: personal computer, laptop, projector, printer, mobile, scanner, medical equipments and etc. HCL Technology Services, services line: application services, engineering and R&D, customer application services, infrastructure services and BPO services. Recognitions: Britain's Top Employers 2010 by the Corporate Research Foundation Institute, 4th consecutive year. Prestigious Golden Peacock Innovation Award for its MTAA STM, a business service management centric service delivery platform, October 2009. HCL Customer Standard Parking wins Oracle's Empower the Green Enterprise Award. 6 HR Congress Awards 2008. India's most preferred personal computer brand, CNBC AWAAZ Consumer Award 2007. HCL Technologies was named Meritorious Performance Supplier in Sun Microsystem 2007. Supplier Awards from Program Forbes Global 2000 list. These are the corporate strategy, business and IT needs assessments, IT portfolio assessment, solution and option analysis, and strategic planning tactical solutions. Value proposition: a well-defined and maintained organizational IT strategy aimed at both short-term and long-term business goals. Identification of the exciting gaps, current and future state IT architecture. Establishment of an enterprise-wide integrated IT architecture to fill in the identified gaps. Setup of a future-ready and flexible IT infrastructure strategy that can adapt to changing trends and technologies. Corporate Social Responsibility. HCLT Foundation is a corporate social responsibility trust supported by HCL Technologies. Power of One, unique CSR philosophy. Around 37,000 HCLTs contribute rupee 1 per day from their salary for community work. More than 19,000 employees spend a day every week or month or year or even 1 hour every day for community services. Project Samunde, HCL to transform 100 villages with scalable models in water, women's welfare, education, health and malnutrition and sanitation. Only Indian company on the honor roll of the UN Women Empowerment Leadership Awards for 2013. Thank you.